Well, boy, it's about time for me to head back.
For real, man? Dadgummit, we just got out here. You already ready to head back? What's the rush? The fish are just starting to bite.
I got college work to do, and it's all due tonight. I gotta head back.
College work? Are you serious? Oh, boy, it sucks for you.
Sucks for you. Don't you have college work to finish, too?
I mean, yeah, I got college work, but I mean, with Northeastern Technical College's laptop loan program, I can do my work anytime, anywhere.
Dang. I wish my college offered that.
Yeah, well, they don't.
Okay, you have a laptop. You act like we turn it in. There's no internet out here. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Well, that's not entirely true.
What do you mean?
Oh, I must have forgot to mention that thanks to Northeastern Technical College's hotspot, I can do my work literally anywhere and turn it in regardless of my location. Keep reeling, you might just get you a laptop.
Is it too late to transfer?
Anytime, anywhere.